We welcome you back on. So, welcome back, fellow audience members. And, wait a second. Wait a second. Here they are, all fixed, and big round of applause. And a big, massive applause for all these contestants who will be doing this. So our first contestant will be Mavis. Hello, I'm Mavis, a diesel railcar. I work at a quarry and I'm a diesel, as you know. And how old are you? What do you mean how old I am? I'm an engine. Oh, of course. Anyway, so today I'll be singing a song called Flashlight by Jessie J. And good choice. When tomorrow comes, I'll be on my own. Oh, you're my flashlight. Wow, that was an awesome performance, Mavis. Very impressive, and as a result, I'll be giving you a yes, and I want you to be on my team. That was an awesome performance, Mavis. We definitely want you to be on our team. Definitely. So, yes. This is a big accomplishment, and I also want you on my team. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you so much. But being the first contestant, who do you want to pick? Because this isn't our decision, it's yours. This is kind of offensive, I think, but Team Melody. Thank you, Mavis. I'll make sure you learn well and you do everything well, and I'll teach you Melody.